front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth section available here in Connected Devices. So Connected Devices and then Pair New Device at the top. Now, after doing that, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one you want to connect to. In my case, it's this one. After a few seconds, you will see a pop-up. To continue, first decide if you want to also allow access to your contacts and call history by using this switcher, and then hit pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request or accept it manually on another smartphone or a tablet. And after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Now, to manage connection to any paired device, use gear icon next to it and check out all of those options, including forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!